Greetings from another nudist beach spot in Stockholm, but this time in a completely different nature reserve and different lake. It is my first time on this very same spot that I have been last time during last autumn, but first time in 2026. And I like to call it Drevviken's NUDIST spot, as it is located in the Drevviken's nature reserve. And it took me 10 kilometers, 10 and a half actually, to get here, around 27 minutes. And I had wind, backwind, almost all the way through, which means it's going to be super hard to get back home later. Super windy day and quite colder than yesterday. Today we have only 14 degrees Celsius in the air, but I really hope for super temperature in the lake, as I plan to swim half an hour in total. Let's see if I'm going to divide that 2 times 15 minutes like I did yesterday and the day before. But very nice spot. I actually chose this because I thought there's not going to be wind, and there's no wind, but there in the forest here on this Ude, as it is called, it's a bit more windy. But later I can also go to that jetty over there and chill and make some more videos maybe. Okay, first we go in with the thermometer in the water, as I'm showing you the nature. I have been a few times also on that side that I call Skruva, which is in the Skruva area. Very nice, also nudist beach spot indeed. But I'm so happy that even though it's not as warm today, it's still sunny and it feels a lot warmer under the sun for sure. And here also I can swim back and forth to the other end as well, without being scared of my stuff, because it's not that far and not so many people are walking here along the forest here in Drevviken. Let's see, what does the thermometer has to say? The moment of truth. Okay, I have overestimated this lake because it's a huge lake. I think it's 17, closer to 17. So yeah, we're gonna deal with 17 degrees. Slightly warmer, colder than yesterday in Flatten Lake, which is just 500 meters in that direction, where it was 18. In Drevviken 2 days ago it was 20 degrees Celsius in the water. But yeah, Chris is out exploring another nudist beach spot, and based on the views on my channel, it seems that only the beach adventures from this type of spots get a lot of views. So I'm gonna basically stop going to public beaches, as those beach adventures get 100 views. So, but also I really love this kind of spots also, where I'm all alone also. So for me it's positive. However, during summer we're gonna go also to normal public beaches also, to show you, especially when I'm gonna go on the archipelago. Also, there has been news in Stockholm that they're gonna do 50% off the monthly card for public transport SL from 1st of July, and it's gonna be a lot cheaper, and it's gonna go from almost 100 euros to 50 euros, the normal price, and for students and elderly will be go down from 60 something euros to 30 euros, which is amazing for a whole month. And I will definitely buy also a monthly card then to go to the sea much more often, because with the bike it's a bit hard to go every day, especially, well, I can go to Drevviken every day, but I want to go also to Värmdö, which is 40 to 50 kilometers one direction. Okay, enough chit-chatting, it's time for Chris to enjoy in the lake with a swim. So let's now find a nice way in, so I can get in the waters and to enjoy fully today. It seems like also the clouds are on the horizon, so we're gonna get a bit of cloudy weather the whole afternoon. But I'm glad I brought you some sun also in the beginning of this vlog. It's very slippery here, but the temperature at least it's good, and Chris is ready for a swim here in Drevviken. So ready, set, and go! Oh my god, amazing! I love it. Look at this beautiful spot. Another nudist beach that I'm showing you on my channel in the most beautiful nature. Alright, that is a wrap. Now it's time for Chris to swim. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!